Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this emoji overlay on CapCut PC. So go to text, add in your default text and copy and paste an emoji, or go to this keyboard bit and select an emoji that you want. I'm just going to select this heart-shaped one. And then I'm just going to copy and paste it many times. You can change the emojis of it as well, but I'm just going to stick with one like that. Just move it around. Maybe put it there, and then another one there. I'm just doing it randomly, honestly. Oops, did not copy and paste that. Okay, it's whatever, but there. Okay, once you're done, you're going to select everything, right click, create compound clip. It's actually better if the heart isn't cut like this, but it's fine. Then I'm going to select the clip, animation, go to combo, and just select this, for instance, or like that. Totally up to you which one you want to choose. I'm just going to choose that one and then put it on the first track here. Go to canvas, select color, select this color wheel, and select the green screen so that people can use it as an overlay later on. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!